Welcome everyone to this video. This video is about urgent terms that you should use in your website, marketplace, or Etsy shop, whatever it is you have. If you want to start making sales and you want to start making sales this holiday season, you really need to give people a call to action to be able to kind of put in their mind what you want them to do. And everyone wants sales, right? Yes, of course we do. Don't you just love it when that cha-ching button goes and you hear that message that you made a sale? It is exciting. I want everyone to feel that, you know. So we're going to be talking about urgent terms that you can use in your website shop or Etsy marketplace, whatever it is you have or whatever it is you are going to want to establish for yourself so you can start making another stream of income. So if you're a newbie out there and want to be an entrepreneur and a business owner and you'd like to open your shop, I'd love to help you with that. But I always love coming on these videos and bringing you more business news and tips for you to be able to scale your business. That's important to me. So I want to make sure that you know these terms and you're able to start using and implementing them in your marketplaces. So I want to also mention to you that if you're an Etsy shop owner, where you have your name at the top portion of your header, where you have your Etsy name, you want to leave a little space and then you want to write some sort of a take action in that space. So if it is, buy here for the holidays, shop now for the holidays, whatever it may be, but you want to put some sort of an call to action in that page when people first look at your page initially, and it kind of gets into their into their mind of like, hey, I maybe should shop here or whatever. So you want to do that. So, by the way, my name is Karen Eiton. I am a business coach. I help entrepreneurs and small businesses to be able to scale their business online and to help them with digital marketing and promoting, and a whole array of things that revolve around their business, to put some systems in place so they're able to scale their business. So if that's you out there, you can put a comment below. I'd love to work with you and love to help you. So we're going to get right to it. So number one, actually I should number these. So number one is to use the words ends tomorrow. So these, you don't want to use all of these. You just want to use maybe a couple. Or you could put it in your descriptions, a different one in a different description of a product. So you don't want to use all of these words on your first, your sales page, okay? You want to kind of like use them, here and there, but you don't want to just, push, you know what I mean? So you want to make sure that you use them right. So let's see how many we have. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So I'm going to add one, so 14 for a bonus, okay? So we're going to be going to be telling you 14 different terms that you can use in your, your sales page, on your marketplaces, either in your descriptions or in your, maybe you can even fit it in at the end of your titles. Things like that. So here we go. So we already mentioned number one, ends tomorrow. And then number two is limited time only, especially for the holidays. If you have a product out there and you're only making a short supply of them, put that in there. So limited time only. And you just may get some action. Okay, and then number three is one-time offer. So when you get closer to the holiday, right, you get closer to one of the holidays, you could start to put something like that. So, one-time offer, like it's going to be gone, And then number four is expires soon. So you could run it, you could have it in your description that this particular product, is going to expire soon, and they won't be able to get it again. Maybe the color is going to expire. You won't have that same color again, or whatever the case may be. And then number 5 is urgent. It's urgent that they take action, you know, so you'll want to implement that. And then number 6 is now. I love using the word now because I think it helps people to take action now. And I think it's a good word to use, and you could use that in the top portion of your header, you know, shop now, or something like that. Or you can also use it in your description somewhere and word it accordingly. Number 7 is only available up to, and then blank, you know, so maybe only available up to maybe the date. Maybe you're going to put, you know, only available up to Thanksgiving, and then the date of Thanksgiving, and then you're going to, you know, not offer that at that price anymore, whatever the case may be. I'm just using that as an example for you. So then number 8 is only so many days left, right? So only blank days left. So you would write, you know, so maybe you're going to run a special for the holidays, and maybe you're going to say only 15 days left, you know, for the sale. But this is something that you'll have to go in there and, you know, as it gets closer, you'll have to change the wording, or the how many days, you know. If there's only 3 days left of Christmas and you're saying it's going to end, you have to, you know, change it. So you want to try to word it a way where you don't have to go in there and constantly change that. So word it in a way that it just kind of, you know, is a little bit generic, but you don't have to constantly go change the date or something like that. Okay, so then number 9, yes, number 9, we're getting there. Last chance, and I like that one too. Last chance. So this is their last chance. You're not going to make that product anymore. This is their last chance to get it before the holidays, or it may be the last chance to get it before the holidays, before the price goes up, right? So, you know, however you want to word it, with your business, you do what you want, but you could use that. And then number 10 is hurry. So yeah, you could put that at the top of your hurry and shop now, hurry, time's running out, something like that. So then number 11 is ends. So if it ends, you're not going to get it anymore. If it ends, that means it's done, right? So ends. So if you have a product and maybe you only have a couple left, you can put that in your description. Say, hey, it's going to be ending. You know, you won't get it anymore. I'm not making it anymore, or whatever. So then number 12, and we're almost there, immediately, right? So immediately, you could use that. And then number 13 is instant. So they need to take instant action if they want to get it today. Or they need to take instant action if they want it shipped by a certain day. So you can put your shipping time in there too. So it's going to take 3 days to ship. You need to take instant action to get it in 3 days, you know, as it gets closer to the holiday. So our last and final one is number 14, and that is limited supply. So you have a limited supply, and it's going to be all done, okay? So once the supply is gone, it's over, right? So if they went in on that particular product, they need to take instant action, and it's a limited supply, so, you know, it's going to be gone, right? So that were the tips. So I want to also give you just a couple exclusive terms that you can use to help you be able to make more sales. And these are a couple words. Let me pick some out here. So I'm going to pick out, let's say, 3 other words for you that you can write in your descriptions and things, or on your website, or, you know, wherever it is that you have your products. So let's do some that I think is really important for you. Let me read a couple of these for a minute here. I like this one. I like that one. Let's see. And I like this one. Okay, so we got 3. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, so let's go. So while supplies last. So while supplies last, you could write that in there, and that would be helpful for them to know that, hey, you know, are only selling this while supplies last, and then when it's gone, it's gone. So they'll miss out, and then they'll feel bad that they're going to miss out because they really, really want it, you know. So then it'll make them, you know, fret a little bit and take action because they're so afraid that they're not going to get it. So so that was number 1. So then the number 3 is exclusive offer is special offer. So you can write that in your description or in the end of your pricing. Say that it's this price, but special offer only for Christmas time, or only for Thanksgiving time, or only for Black Friday, right? So make it, you know, exciting. Make it feel like, you know, they're coming there and you see them coming there, and, you know, in the numbers that they're visiting and stuff, but they're not purchasing. So maybe these are what you just need in your call to action on your particular product, marketplace or website or page that you're selling from. And the last one is number 3, and it's subscribers only. So maybe you want to take these people that are viewers and you're going to have them subscribe to a certain blog that you have about your product or business. So you could actually put that link in your description, and those people could go and to visit you. I just started putting my Facebook creative page in there because I thought maybe some of them would be interested in that. So it just depends on, you know, what it is you offer, what it is you have available, and how you want to get them to take action, and then they can come and, you know, group up with you. So that's just an idea, okay? So that's all that we have for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to this video. I would really appreciate it. It makes me feel really good when I get new subscribers. It makes me excited, and it makes me keep going and bringing you more news and tips for business. So please subscribe, and you will get notified, and then a video will when a video is uploaded, you will get notified, and it just makes things easier that you can keep in contact with me. So that is pretty cool. I'd like to also invite you to my website. Right now I have my webinar there that is free, and it's also where you don't have to put your email address in, so you just go there and watch the video. And this is for people who would like to start an Etsy shop. So if you're an entrepreneur, you are a maker and creator, you love to make and create things, and you'd like to start selling, I would love to work with you. I'd love to help you to be able to implement a lot of these things in my program. So, so you can go there and take a look. You can learn more about me. You can learn more about what it is I offer and how I can help you. So that's what I'm here for. I'm here to help you. So if you need help, please reach out. Please make a comment below or private message me. You know, I'm open to being friendly with anybody, you know, so just, you know, you're more than welcome to reach out to me and to get to know me, right? So that's all I have for today. Thank you all so much. I really appreciate all of you for watching my videos and to subscribe to my videos and to keep me going. So thank you so much, and I'll talk to you all real soon. Bye-bye.